Welcome back. Today we are shooting our first video outside of the podcast inside of the new Black Plague Precision Studio. I'm extremely excited, been working on this for months, and it came at the perfect time. We have partnered with F-Class Products to bring you guys one of the most in-depth unboxing, walkthroughs, and tutorials on one of the most advanced pieces of reloading gear in the world. That's right, we're talking about the Auto Dod. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing video. I'm excited, let's do it. All right, let's open this thing up. Now, this is not my first F-Class Products product. My first product from them was the base plate for the competition primer seeder, which you guys know is a very high-end primer seeder system. Well, they came up with a solid base plate. It has indicators on it, so you can make sure that you are putting your primers in the same way every time. I've been running that for years. I love it. I don't reload without it. And that's what got me really interested in F-Class Products. Now, in that time, they also had other really high-end products like the iDod that eventually had the upgraded systems to automate it into the Auto Dod. So I've been looking at this product for years. On top of that, I just picked up their new MTAP system. This is one of the most advanced bullet tipping systems in the world. Now, we're not going to talk about that today because this is an unboxing video, but I just wanted to let you guys know what you guys can be looking forward to as more videos start coming out around F-Class Products. Let's go ahead and let's open this thing up. Whew, boy, look at this thing. I'm very excited if you guys can't tell. This is a high-end reloading product. When you are trying to push every single component to its maximum level, this is the sort of thing that you start to look at. And what I love about this product is that it isn't just for F-Class. This is a product that's going to be able to be used across multiple disciplines, right? If you're serious about your reloading, this is sort of that ultimate step. So I'm really excited about this. Now, they always provide this really nice high-end looking manual, and that does also end up coming with an envelope. Let's go ahead and open this real quick. So inside we have this really cool graphic F-Class Product sticker. We'll put that to the side. We have the Emirates Blake barrel and rifle. If you guys don't know, F-Class Products also makes actions and they make barrels and a couple other accessories. We're going to be doing some stuff with that later in the year. Comes with this here little thank you for supporting our small business, which is great. We have the Auto Tap sticker here, which is great. I'm not sure I got one of these actually when I bought the Auto Tap, but I did get an Auto Dod sticker. So this is pretty cool. There's actually a little bit more in here, and then your invoice for your records. Keep this stuff, you never know what you might need. And then we have this really nice setup manual. Now, I know some of you guys aren't going to read this. That's why we're going to be doing walkthrough videos on how to do this, how to set it up, things like that. Now, when you buy high-end products like this, the packaging almost has as much detail as the actual equipment does itself. So that's why I went ahead and opened it for you guys this way. All right, so let's take a look at this thing. I mean, just the packaging on this thing is insane. Really, really, really held together well. Let's see if we could take some of this off. There we go. Look at that. That is a piece of artwork. Let's go ahead and take the screws out so you guys can see it outside of the packaging. This is some engineering at its finest. And there are a couple more boxes that came in this system. Let's go ahead and open them up real quick so you guys can see what we have. All right, so in this box here, we have the actual remote for the system. Let's go ahead and take this out so you guys can have a good look at it. And the other box, which has components in it. So we can see we have a light, we have a plug, we have the tools, power plug, cleaners. All right, everybody, stay tuned for the rest of the video series around the auto dot. Remember, we're going to be doing setup, we're going to be doing some tutorials, we're going to be doing testing. We are really going to be putting this thing through its paces throughout the year so you guys can take a good, solid look on how this system performs and how it can take your reloading to the next level. Until then, you guys get out to the range, take the shot, and have a good one.